Religion, according to the Oxford Dictionary, means a belief in a superhuman controlling power, a personal God or gods that deserve worship and obedience. So religion means belief in God. I started the talk by quoting a verse from the Quran, from Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 64, which says, Kul ya ahlal kitab, say, O people of the book, Ta'alaw ila kalimatin sawa'im bainana bainakum. Come to common terms as between us and you. Which is the first term? Allah na'budu illallah. That we worship none but Allah. Wala nushrika bihi shay'an. That we associate no partners with Him. Wala yattakhidha ba'duna ba'dan arbaban min dunillah. That we erect not among ourselves lords and patrons other than Allah. Fine tawallahu. If then they turn back. Faqulu shadu. Say, bear witness. Bi anna muslimun. That we are Muslims bowing our will to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This verse of the glorious Quran, according to me, is the master key for doing dawah.